Hey guys, Nick here. Today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial how to hide cells in Excel. So let's say, for example, you've got here this data set, or call this a small report actually. And let's say you want to hide the age of the employees here. You don't need the age. It's not really relevant when it comes to looking at their salary or their hours worked. To hide, you simply highlight what you want to hide, right? Be it a column, multiple columns, a row, multiple rows. Once you've highlighted, you right click where the column letter, or basically where these columns are at. You right click on it, and then you'll see right down here the option to hide or unhide. Obviously we haven't hidden anything yet, so we can only really hide. So we'll go ahead and click, and we should see that column we selected hidden. And you'll know a column or a row is hidden when you look at the columns, right, where the labels are. You can see here there's this little kind of like a divider between column C and column E, right? That little thick extra border there, it designates that the column is hidden. Likewise, when you're looking at rows, right, let's say we want to hide rows from 7 through 10. We've highlighted rows 7 through 10. Again, right click, hide, and now you see that little gray extra border up there. That means that there's hidden columns there. In this case, rows, excuse me. There's hidden rows here. You can also notice it too, right? So every row is numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you can see where we've hidden, it jumps from 6 straight to 11. So that's also another indication that there's hidden details there. And again, to unhide, simply right click and hit the unhide button, right? It's as easy as that. Mind you, I don't typically like using the hide feature because when you're working with pretty complex reports, it's pretty cumbersome to try to hide and unhide a bunch of rows or columns manually, especially when you know you want to hide pretty systematically, right? You know you want to hide every third or fourth row or third or fourth column you need hidden. There's no point in using this when you can also use the grouping feature, which I go over in another video of mine. And let me just give you a sneak peek to the grouping feature. Here I want to hide all these columns from B to K. I've already grouped them, and by clicking on this line up here, I've hidden them, and by clicking the plus sign, I've unhidden them. Right, so that's grouping. I'd much rather you guys learn how to group and stick with that over hiding columns manually with the right click. But I'll link the grouping video in the details of the video, so you guys can hop over there and take a look and learn how to use that as a best practice. But again, if you guys have any questions or need anything clarified, just leave it in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Like always, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and share this with any of your friends that are starting out in the Excel world. I'll catch you guys on the next video.